Hey, what's up guys, it's Zap Gaming here. Today I'm going to be trying to solve a Rubik's Cube with some shoes on. But before we get into that, I'd like to ask you if you could like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you can watch more of my videos if you want later on. So let's get into the video. So, start the timer now. Do that. So I have, wrong way. So I have the green there. Force onto the pieces. One more up. Ooh, ooh. 8 minutes and 20 seconds. That's very good, I think. Okay, it's not bad. I did have to get help from the cube, but I didn't touch this cube with my hand at all. So that is very good. So, see you in the next video. Make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell if you have liked this video. Bye.